A warm good morning to all. Today, myself Sreyas would like to share some information on the topic World Nature Conservation Day. World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated on July 28 each year. The World Nature Conservation Day acknowledges that a healthy environment is the foundation for a stable and healthy society. To ensure the well-being of the present and the future generations, we all must, as a responsible human beings, participate in protecting and conserving our nature. Significance of Nature Conservation Day. The World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated to create and increase awareness about the importance of natural resources and how one can live sustainably. The day encourages people to save and protect Earth's natural resources. Now we will see why nature conservation is so important. Nature conservation is important to protect wildlife, to protect the earth for human health, to preserve the biodiversity, and to ensure that the future generations will be able to access the resources. Next, we can look some ways for conserving the environment. First, choose to reuse. Instead of throwing food containers into the bin, reuse them for other purposes like storing other goods in them or make showpieces out of them. Second, start on kitchen garden. Starting a home vegetable garden helps you to save money and also ensures the supply of healthy and pure vegetable and fruits. Third, quit smoking. Smoking doesn't just harm our body alone, but the environment also. It releases toxic air pollutants into the atmosphere. These toxic chemicals remain seeped into the soil and waterways, causing soil and water pollution. Fourth, make our own bags. Instead of using plastic bags for grocery shopping, shift to cloth or paper bags. They are reusable and help a great deal in saving the planet. Fifth, discourage wastage of food, water and items of regular use to avoid pollution. Sixth, save energy by switch off lights, fans and air conditioners when not in use. 7. Avoid wasting water and close the tap properly after brushing or washing hands. 8. Use of alternative energy such as solar and wind energy. 9. Plant more trees. Planting more trees helps to maintain the ecosystem and to prevent soil erosion. 10th, recycling. Recycle everything you can and try to buy reusable and biodegradable products as much as possible. I am concluding my words by saying the 3 essential words about the conservation of environment: reduce, reuse and recycle. I hope all understood and enjoyed my section. Thank you.